What's up, beautiful people? Baby. Gotta go pick up my truck, man.
You really ain't seen them mess. Alright.
Huh? Put the TV on the side. So we don't need that.
Oh, I know. I was in the kitchen. They'll heat in the kitchen there. See, I always heat in the kitchen there. Get the TV, put the cable. Like, I'm doing Disney Plus.
Watch Princess on the fridge. Watch Princess. Test the screen coming up. Think about a system, but I don't know if I want to have one of the max. What y'all think? Definitely getting better door speakers. The sound system in my truck now is garbage. But what's the CarPlay? Definitely need a Tesla screen though. That's on the way. Probably get that this summer or something. Huh?
One issue. Well, not necessarily me, but the install had one issue. He couldn't actually do the remote start with this actually plugged in. So he had to unplug it. But that's that. So these buttons are pretty self-explanatory. Oops, sorry. My bad. I don't know why you didn't connect into everything. But okay, lock, unlock. There's no trunk to pop, and remote start. So whenever you do it, it'll tell you that it does it whenever that's just responding, that's how it actually responds back to you. So that's going to be unlocked. We're going to go with that, and then that's going to be remote start. But I'm going to try something else, which is going to be lock, unlock, lock. So on the original fob, so technically you don't have to carry these with you, but you can have them actually hooked up on there if you truly wanted to. But if you hit lock, so that'll do that.
Mother truck up here.
Oh shit! Hey, what's up?
Then when we get in, we don't touch the brake. So, because what we're gonna do, actually I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna hit the brake. Because if I hit the brake, then I'm gonna try, because you gotta hit the brake to actually go in. So, I'm gonna get back out, and it should be able to remote start with the door open if I'm not mistaken. Maybe not.
It's flashing.
Yeah, I don't think so. Now we're gonna open. Let's try that again. Okay, so after that, after we do that, we get in, we get the start button, and then, oh wait, okay, so I probably needed to keep closer, so I'm just gonna try this again. My bad. I'm gonna do it with this one. So I just press and hold.
Right.
But the thing about doing it with these, since this is two-way, this will chirp back at you and say, I actually did what I was supposed to do, because it's going to keep chirping, and you do that for up until like 15 minutes until it automatically comes on. closer now. And hit the power button. And then, so that's how you're able to actually pull away if you want to do it from start. So you gotta just make sure the key's close, be able to hit that button, and then it's ready to go. That's pretty much it.
Question. Do y'all sell things that, you know how, like in my other car, I had to touch the button, open the door, unlock the door? Y'all have that for those these cars too? Well,
Unfortunately not. It's not something that we carry. They might, I'm not sure, but maybe because normally it comes, it's built into the car, the back of the car. So, these are going to
That shit too hard, y'all go get sick of me. I swear y'all go get sick of me. But my man said I can't use my Damn, I can't use my light, bro. Big pussy. Y'all be sick of me. Straight like that.